This is the GTX 1060. This MSI GTX 1060 gaming. So the both fans are working normally. The light is also on. You can light up. Yeah, here you can see more detail in the GPU-Z here. NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1066 GB. In this here you can see this is 6 GB. And the sub-vendor here is MSI. When you look up to now I will run the 3D test.
C is EDS, D is XRD, and E is FTIR spectra. So these three confirmed the composition of the material that consists of the silica, calcium, and also the phosphorus pentoxide is similar to the composition, and it shows the crystallization property and also shows the peak of Si or Si bond in the FTIR. Present in the respective amorphous X-ray diffraction. EDS analysis EDS showed that the molar ratio of the silica, oxygen, calcium, and phosphorus in the composition is constant, and the XRD showed that it consists of the BGS presented the representative amorphous structure and SiO-Si composition. Okay. The in vitro biomineralization capacity was further tested by soaking BGS in stimulated body fluid, SBF, that is S1. After soaking for 7 days, the surface of the scaffold was completely covered with a thick apatite layer, which is composed of flower-like crystals. XRD and FTIR spectra confirmed the formation of hydroxyapatite on the surface of BGS. After culture for 2 days, the cells have tightly attached on the surface of BGS. Some prominent philopodia could be observed, suggesting the good cellular response of BGS. And this one is after the first day and third day to 7th day, the production of the crystals on the surface of during the biomineralization process, with also the XRD and FTIR. And you can see the FTIR spectrum also shows the peaks, which is SiO-Si, PO-Si, and also the calcium peaks as well as the phosphorus peaks. In the case of XRD, it shows the hydroxyapatite production in the 7th day. So the second study is the migration and proliferation of 3T3 cells, that is the mouse calvaria cells, mouse-derived calvaria pre-osteoblast 3T3 cells. So we have 3T3 cells, which is the mouse calvaria derived pre-osteoblast cell line, and we also have the raw, that is the macrophage cell line. So here after that we study about the migration and the proliferation of 3T3 cells under the inflammatory state. So in order to mimic the in vivo inflammatory state, so when you have